So, hello class. I hope you all are good and fine at your places. I am your physical education teacher Vikrant. So, class, in this class video, we are starting our Unit 2 Olympic Value Education. Okay. So basically, this topic is related to the Olympic Games. What is the all events we are doing to in Olympics, and all other types of Olympics, just like Paralympics, Paris Olympics, is Bharat Special Olympic, and also the know about what is the all Olympic committees will do. Indian Olympic Committee, what association, what they are doing about the Olympic Games, and how to performing the players in Olympic Games, and how to developing the sports culture in India, and also the Olympic World Olympic Association and Committee will do the is developing the sports culture in the world. So class, let's start the class. So class, in this class video, we especially talking about all this point to related this unit. Okay, so first point is Olympic Games. Then second we're talking about what is the Asian Olympic Games. Then after I'm telling you the modern Olympic Games. Then objective of the modern Olympic Games, and also the no telling about to you the value of Olympic Games. Okay, class. So class, first we know about the Asian Olympic Games. Okay, so then we knowing about the what is the Olympic Games. So first we started to this class to Olympic Games. So proper understanding of the Olympic, it's better to study the Asian Games. First we study and knowing about what is the in ancient times the how to organizing the Olympic Games, what is the rule regulation, what is the prize distribution, and also the award, opening ceremonies, events, types of events. Okay, class. So there is a Asian Olympic Games. So in the ancient time, the game were held in honor of god Zeus. Okay, since then the games were the greatest religious festival in the life of the Greek. Okay, there was lots of stories about the origins of Asian Olympic Games. The word Olympic described from Olympia, a valley. Okay, so basically there is a lots of story about two Asian Olympic Games, but the word Olympic is described from Olympia, a valley where the where first such games was organized. Okay, so first Olympic Games in ancient time was were organized in Olympia Valley. Okay, so basically in ancient times the rules of the competitions are first is the competitor must be only a Greek. Okay, so first rule is for ancient time Olympic Games to the competitors must be a Greek, uh, not for the other sides. Other side means others country, others empires. Okay, so this time basically the empire will be राज करते थे बेसिकली हम पे मीन्स राजा और सेना टाइप्स के होते थे देन completely from a Hellenic race and must be physically fit. Okay, so basically एक टेस्ट होता था जिसके थ्रू प्लेयर्स के वी नो अबाउट विच वन इज द प्लेयर इज फिट एंड so the test is Hellenic race. Okay, then second rule is savage and punished person were not allowed to participate in these games. Okay, means who will be the punished and who will the savage persons were not allowed to participate in this game. And the third was the competitor had to stay in Olympia for 1 month. Before the beginning of Olympic Games, they had to take an oath uh, they had already taken the training for 10 months in their state. Okay, so basically the competitor stay in Olympia for 1 month before the beginning of Olympic Games, and they also taking the oath uh, of the training for 10th month their state. And the fourth rule is women were not allowed to participate in competition or see these games. Okay, so basically women are not allowed to participating in this game, and also the not allowed for see the Olympic Games. Okay, the next rules is for participating in the game, participants had to practice for 1 month. Okay, so basically if you want to participating in this game, so you will be first month 1 month you will be practice the all the games. Only amateur sports person could participate in this game and not the professionals. Okay, only amateur sport persons will be participating in this game. Okay, now the professional players will be not allowed to participate in this game. Okay. Okay, so this is the all rule and regulation of the competition to ancient times. Then in ancient times there are different types of opening ceremonies will held. So in opening ceremony events are on the day of opening ceremony, all the players, their brothers, fathers, and trainers used to assemble in the auditoriums. The experts of sports and games made them to take the oath that they will be participating in the game according to rule, and they had got the training of 10 months. After then, a pig was killed and offered to the god named Zeus Heracles. After this ritual, one by one, all players used to come out the sports arena actually at the time. The player was introduced to the spectres. If one of the spectres had any objective against the player, he was not allowed to participate in competition. So rest of the players who face no objective against them we allowed to participating. After that declaration was made start the game. Then with the passage of time the number of games kept up changing, such as 4000 yard walking was including in 724 BCE. The 3 mile race was including in 7020 BCE, pentathlon in 7008 BCE, boxing in 7888 BCE, and horse race was including in 6048 BCE. The number of games increasing over the year, and consequently the game used to be organized for 5 days. Okay, so basically the game will be organized only for 5 days. On first day only religion function was performed. The second day was reserved for matches past and introduction, and after the charity race, horse race, and pentathlon were held in the morning of third day. The ritual of sacrifice of annual was performed. After that, competition of races, wrestling, and boxing were held. The fourth day fixed for athletics events, just like wrestling and boxing. And one fifth day rational program was organized. Okay, so basically the last day will performing to recreationals programs. Okay, so this is the opening ceremony. Now I'm telling you how the award system in ancient times. So less attention was paid to award in ancient Olympic game. Only food grains and animal were given as a rewards. After that, a crown made olive oil leaves was given to the winner more stress was laid on respect and honors instead of award to the players. In this time, game status were also made. The winner poems were also composed in Paris of winner, and their name was recorded in the annals of history. Even the player used to participate in this game the respected and honor and not for sake of awards. Okay, so basically in ancient science the award system will be working on this type. Basically the who will be win the match will be giving to food grains and also the animals in awards. Okay, so this is the award system and all about the so class. Now I'm talking about two modern Olympic games. Okay, so basically the modern Olympic game started to who is the credit goes to Paris Baron de Coubertin of France. Coubertin was basically the Paris Baron de Coubertin was a Franciscan and he was born in Paris on 1st January 1862. Okay, so basically in model Olympic game for rival of model Olympic games credit goes to Baron Paris de Coubertin of France. With his great efforts, the first Olympic games were held in Athens in 1896. There was a 9 countries who participated in first Olympics games. Okay, so in first Olympic games were started to in which year 1896 in Athens, and the first only 9 teams will participate in first Olympic games. Okay, so let's move next page. Okay, so there is a Olympic flag or Olympic symbols. Okay, so basically we know about what is the Olympic flag and what is the Olympic symbols. So basically in first picture is Olympic flag and then second picture is about two Olympic symbols. Okay, so the Olympic symbol was created as the design by Paris de Coubertin himself. Okay, he created Olympic flag which is on of a milky white texture in the background with 5 interlinked rings of different colors. The rings symbolic the union of 5 continents and meeting of the athlete from all over the world at Olympics. The 5 colors are blue, black, red, yellow and green. So basically in Olympic symbol we can saw the rings. So the color of ring is black, blue, red, yellow and green. Okay, so basically it's representing to 5 continents. Okay, so there is a 5 continent is America, Africa, Australia, Asia and Europe. Okay, so basically this is the 5 continents of the world. Okay class, so let's move next page. Okay, so next page is the Olympic motto. Okay, so basically Olympic motto comprise 3 Latin words. Okay, so the 3 Latin words are CTS, LTS, 4TS. Okay, so it is also a Olympic motto CTS, LTS and 4TS, which means CTS means faster, LTS means higher and 4TS means stronger. The motto was coined by a French educator, Father Dion, in 1895. Okay, who is coined this motto? So Father Dion in 1895. Okay, again I am telling you what is the Olympic motto is CTS, LTS and 4TS. Okay, so CTS means faster, LTS means higher, then 40S means stronger. Okay class, so this is the Olympic motto. So let's move next page. Okay, so there is some Olympic moments. Basically, in Olympic, which types of program will be organizing and events are going. So basically, the first is Olympic flame. Okay, basically, Olympic flame is also a symbol of Olympic. We knowing about. So the Olympic flame is a symbol of knowledge, life, and happiness. It also symbolizes peace. The flame or torch is lighted or kindled in Olympic village of Greece, and it is carried by the runner to the place where the Olympic Games are going to be organized. During the process it keep burning. At the end of the closing ceremony, games, this flame is escape. Okay. The next movement is Olympic awards. So basically, in Olympic, the first three position holders will be awarded to the in Olympic. So the first position holder will be awarded by gold medal. Then second one is giving to silver medal, and third one will be giving to bronze medal. And also the top will be giving to certificate, and the next five position holders are also awarded with certificates only. Okay, so next five position holders are also awarded with certificates only. Okay class, then next moment is Olympic oath. Okay, so during the openings of Olympic Games, oath taking ceremony held by athletes who assemble in the sports stadium, respective of the host country comes forward holding the flag. The flag bearers, combined national, also take up their positions. Okay, so basically we know what is the Olympic oath. So Olympic oath basically saying to in Olympic Games, we swear that we will take a part in Olympic Games in loyal competition, respecting the regulation which ground them and deserve of participating in them in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our country and for the glory of sports. Okay, then next moment is rules for competitors. All males and female can't participants in Olympic Games if they are amateur. But nowadays, professionals are also allowed to participate in some of the sports. These sports persons are sent by their National Olympic Committee. No sports persons can participate in this game without the approve as well recommended of National Olympic Committees. Then after the opening ceremony of Olympic Games, first of all, Olympic torch. What is the event? What is the moment will doing going on in Olympic ceremony? So basically, the first of all, Olympic torch or flame is light through sun rays in Olympic Village, Greece, and it is brought to that city where the Olympic Games are going to be held. Okay, so then the uh, president or prime minister declared the game open in the stadium. Before the process, all the sport person take part in the march past and they take oath. Later on, recreational and cultural programs are organized. Olympic flag is hosted and Olympic flame of the stadium is kindly by the torch. Okay, then last moment is closing ceremony of Olympic Games. So sports person from all countries assemble in the as a stadium closing ceremony. So the mayor of the city and president of the managing committee escort the president of the International Olympic Committee to the stadium. She declared the game was closed after the Olympic flag lower and giving the mayor, mayor of the city. Various cultural programs are organized. The Olympic flame executed at last. The game comes to an end with Olympic songs. Okay, so there is are Olympic movements, Olympic flame, Olympic awards, Olympic oath, Olympic rule for competitors, closing ceremony, and also the opening ceremony of Olympic Games. So, class, the objective of Olympic is to generate the sense of loyalty, brotherhood, and team spirit among the participants. Okay, so this is the first objective of Olympic. Then second objective is to bring the attention of the world community to understand the value of the program of physical education and sports. And then next is to promote enthu- uh, enthusiasm among the sports person or sportsman. The next is to remove the barriers of caste, creed, religions, and color. Okay, next objective is to develop good habits among sports person and the other persons through Olympic Games. Then last objective is to encourage moral value and unbiased behavior through sports. Okay, so this is the all our Olympic objectives. So let's move next page. Okay, so there in next page there is the Olympic value. Okay, so basically what is the Olympic value are? So first is brotherhood, second is imperial games, then next third is non discrimination, fourth is friendship, fifth is respect, and the sixth is value, the last one seventh is excellency. Okay, so this is all our Olympic values are. Okay, class. So class, I hope you all understand about the today topic to your Olympic value education unit 2. Okay, in this topic I'm telling you what is the Asian Olympic Games, what is the modern Olympic game, and also telling you what is the Olympic motto, what Olympic symbols, and also in last I'm telling you the objective of Olympic, the objectives of Olympics, and in the last I'm telling you the value of Olympic Games. So class, stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you.